Hi. I just received a new phone. Okay. I got this plug adapter thing. And this card. Okay. I'm sorry it's not perfect. So here's the box. Okay, it's fine now. Okay, I'm back. There's a little thing here. Oh my gosh. Okay. I got it. Okay. So there's a manual in here. Sorry. Come on. Oh, here's the thing for the SIM card. Okay, so it has the manual, warranty card, quick start guide. It has a lot of stuff, and it comes with a case. This is perfect. Okay, so it's really cold. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Okay, you can see my camera. So I took that off. I'm gonna leave the front one on. Let's look at the rest of the box. It's just a little card. Yeah. So this is from Europe, so it has the wrong cord thing. So I can't even use this. I have to buy a different one. I have to use a different charger. This is really short anyways. And then here are headphones. Okay. So it's all USB-C because it's Android. Here are the headphones, the earbuds. Some cheap things. Adjustable ear things. I believe that's everything in the box. If I ever go to Europe, I need to charge my phone, then I'm good. It's super fast charging. Okay, let's pop the case on. Oof. It's a nice gray. Turn it on. So it's just turning on now. It's at 50% charged. Is there English Canada? Canada. What is this? Okay, let me connect to the Wi-Fi. Woohoo! Cut this out. So I think I'm just gonna set it up. I'm just gonna set it up and then come back. Yeah, I'll come back when it's all done. Okay, I got it on. And it's connected to, okay, I don't know, it's on. Oh, I figured out, I'm done. So right now I'm just transferring stuff from my old phone to the new one. So I don't know how long this is gonna take, but bear with me please. Okay, right now it's transferring data from my old phone to my new phone. And it says 16 images. I have a lot of pictures. So probably it's filming. But yes. So oh my god, the minutes keep going on. So after it's done this, I'm gonna transfer the SIM cards. I hate that sound. I'll take it off when it's done. But yeah. So here's everything that I got. I don't know what I'm doing with this because I don't know. You can take this out? Oh! Wait, is that how it works? Oh, that's how it works. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I can use it. Yay! Yo, I didn't even realize. Oh, that's good. So now doing videos. Transferring videos from my tripod fell. Transferring video. Oh god. Okay. Yeah. One phone has dark mode, one doesn't. Hi everyone. So this update is at 8 minutes, 76% done, and I will update you again when it's almost done. Okay everyone, so they're all done. They're both are done, and they have, so everything's transferred. I just need to do the SD card and we'll be on our way. So I don't know how to do that. I just know that it's at the top. Let's figure this out. Where is it? Okay, let me. Okay, I got the SIM card out. Oh wow, this is huge. Look at this thing. Where do I even put it? Oh no. Okay. Oh. Okay, I think I got it. It's this way. I think that worked. Let's open it. Okay. So where is it? Here. No, I think that's everything. I just need to make a voicemail now, I believe. Sorry. So this phone is like not really useful anymore. Unless I just want a phone with no SIM card. But yeah. So I should just sign up for. I will now take a video of my desk to see how good this camera is, because it's supposed to be really good. It really looks amazing. Here's a test on which one displays video better and which one has a faster refresh rate. Ooh, I think I don't know. I think the Huawei's better. I don't know. Let's see. It seems like the Samsung is better with image quality. Thumbs up to that. I don't know, they're both good. I'll give more of a comprehensive review later when my camera's dying, so I gotta go. Thanks for watching.